Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into something massive, powerful, and game-changing: Caterpillar's brand new 2026 Bulldozer. And let me just say, this machine is not just a bulldozer, it's a glimpse into the future of heavy machinery. If you're into construction equipment, smart technology, or just love watching massive machines in action, you're going to want to stick around, because what Caterpillar has done with this release is something we haven't quite seen before. Now, when you think Caterpillar, you already expect durability, toughness, and unmatched efficiency. But the 2026 model pushes those expectations way further. Visually, the first thing that hits you is the design: streamlined but still bulky where it needs to be. The iconic yellow and black color scheme is now paired with sleeker LED lighting, refined edges, and improved visibility features. From the moment you walk up to it, you can tell this is not your standard piece of construction equipment. It means business. Under the hood, Caterpillar's 2026 Bulldozer is powered by their latest generation hybrid diesel-electric engine, which not only delivers incredible torque, but also reduces fuel consumption by up to 20% compared to the 2024 model. That's a big deal for job sites trying to balance power and sustainability. And get this, because it's a hybrid, the Dozer is quieter than ever before, making it more community-friendly for urban projects without compromising on raw muscle. Let's talk numbers for a second. This beast churns out over 600 horsepower, can move more than 100 tons of material per hour, and thanks to improved traction control and smart blade tech, every push is more precise. The blade system has been completely revamped. The new Smart Edge blade integrates sensors that analyze terrain in real time, adjusting tilt and pitch automatically, which means less operator fatigue and better material management. You want efficiency? This is how you get it. Now, inside the cabin is where things really start to feel next level. Caterpillar has stepped into the future with a fully digital cockpit. The main interface is a 15-inch touchscreen display that looks and feels like something out of a Tesla. It gives operators real-time diagnostics, blade angle data, GPS mapping, slope assist, and even weather overlays. And yes, it supports voice commands. You can literally say, "Adjust blade angle 5 degrees left," and it happens. There's even an optional AI co-pilot that assists with repetitive movements, learning from the operator's habits and optimizing performance throughout the workday. Comfort-wise, the operator station is on another level. We're talking about air ride suspension seats with heating and cooling, 360-degree camera feeds, noise dampening, insulation, and even built-in Bluetooth, so you can take calls or blast your favorite playlists while working. This isn't just smart, it's luxury inside a bulldozer. One of the things we've been asked the most about is how Caterpillar is addressing operator safety, and the 2026 model does not disappoint. Aside from the improved visibility and surround cameras, the machine includes predictive obstacle detection. Using a radar lidar combo system, it identifies people or objects within a certain radius and alerts the operator immediately, sometimes even applying automatic brakes if needed. It's a huge leap in keeping workers safe on busy or unpredictable job sites. Another standout is the autonomous features. While it's not fully driverless, the 2026 Bulldozer can perform basic grading operations on its own using preset GPS, coordinates, and job plans. That means a team can program it to do a specific task overnight, and the Dozer just does it. We've tested this in the field, and it's surprisingly accurate within a 2-centimeter variance. For site managers, that means more productivity with less manpower during AFRs. And if you're worried about control, don't be. The machine is constantly monitored through Caterpillar's VisionLink system, giving operators and supervisors live updates on performance, location, and usage. Let's shift to maintenance for a moment. Caterpillar is known for making machines that last, but they've made it even easier with the 2026 Dozer. You get automatic diagnostic reports pushed to your phone or tablet, and there's an onboard system that performs self-checks every time you start it up. Plus, the main access points are all redesigned for tool-less entry, meaning daily checks and part swaps are faster than ever. And with the hybrid powertrain, wear and tear on mechanical components is significantly reduced. That's more uptime, fewer breakdowns, and better ROI for contractors. Speaking of the environment, Caterpillar is clearly leaning into sustainability. Not only does the hybrid engine emit fewer greenhouse gases, but many of the components are made from recycled steel and biodegradable fluids. For larger operations trying to hit ESG targets, this model checks a lot of boxes. Now, I know a lot of you are wondering about cost. While Caterpillar hasn't released official pricing yet, we're expecting this model to start around $950,000, depending on the configuration. Yes, it's a serious investment, but when you factor in the reduced fuel use, fewer maintenance issues, longer service intervals, and boosted productivity, it can actually save large contractors money in the long run. And don't forget, many of these features like automation, smart blades, and diagnostics translate into real-time savings on the job site. So, what's the verdict? After spending several days testing this machine on a live site, we can confidently say the 2026 Caterpillar Bulldozer is a game changer. It's powerful, intelligent, safer, and more efficient than anything else we've operated. Whether you're managing massive infrastructure projects, mining operations, or complex urban builds, this machine adapts to every challenge you throw at it. It's clear that Caterpillar isn't just building for today. They're setting the bar for what heavy equipment should look like for the next decade. And if this is the future, we're here for it. So that's our deep dive into the 2026 Caterpillar Bulldozer. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more machine reviews, and drop a comment if you want us to compare this with the Komatsu D475 or any other big rigs out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next dig.